guys, we started yesterday working with finding the missing side of a parallelogram by setting up an equation, and we did it on paper and pencil as an introduction yesterday. So today we're going to do it on the slide, so I wanted to show you how to do that. So here we have a rectangle, and we know the base, which is 18 centimeters. We don't know the height, because I just got an H there. And we do know the area is 216 centimeters squared. So we're going to go over here and we're going to fill in what we know. So we know A, area, is 216. So we're going to put 216 there. We know the base, B, right here, is 18. So we're going to put 18 there. If you want to put 18 centimeters, that's fine. It won't fit. Okay. What we don't know is the height. Okay, so there is our equation. I'm going to make it a different color so we can see it better here. So there's our equation. Now, I want to get this H all by itself. So to do that, instead of multiplying by 18, we're going to do the opposite of multiplying, which is dividing. And look, Miss Pendleton done put a divide line there for you. So we're going to divide this side by 18. And when we do that, you see over here the side, these 18s cancel out. And look over here on this left side, right side, all we have left is our H. And then go back. If I divide this side by 18, then I have to divide this side by 18. And 216, do the math, 216 divided by 18 is 12. Now, 12 what? It's just a plain side, just like this 18 centimeters is a plain side. So since the base is in centimeters, my height will just be in centimeters. And that's my answer. Let's look at one more. All right, Miss Pendleton's trying to be tricky on this one, okay? So watch me. What do I know? Do I know my A, my area? Yes, it's 128. Do I know my B, my base? No, I don't know my B, my base. So I'm just going to bring down a B. Do I know my height? Now this is where Miss Pendleton's trying to be tricky. Which one's my height? The 16 inches or the 15 inches? Which one's the height? Remember, height has to be straight up and down. So the 16 inches is my height. This 15 inches is TMI. I don't even need it. Okay? So now look at my equation that I made. I want to get that B by itself this time. So instead of multiplying by 16, we're going to do the opposite and divide by 16. And whatever I do to one side, I got to do the other side. I got to divide this side by 16. Okay, over here, 128 divided by 16, still our calculator, 128 divided by 16 is 8. And then these two 16s cancel out and leave me with that B by itself. Now, we got to label our answer 8 what? Well, since the height was in inches, the base will be in inches.